Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something fantastic to showcase for all you tech enthusiasts and home theater aficionados out there. We're diving into what we believe to be the best ceiling mount available on the market, the WALI TV Ceiling Mount Adjustable Bracket. This remarkable mount is designed to accommodate most LED, LCD, OLED, and plasma flat screen displays, ranging from 26 inches all the way up to 65 inches. It can support an impressive weight of up to 110 pounds, ensuring your TV is secure and stable no matter where you decide to mount it. Now, let's take a closer look at the WALI ceiling mount. With a sleek black finish, it not only looks great but also complements the aesthetics of any room. Its versatility is one of its standout features. Whether you want to mount your television in a living room, a workshop, or even a garage, this bracket fits right into your plans. Plus, the mounting holes are standardized at 400 by 400 mm, which means it's going to be compatible with a wide array of TVs on the market. Included in the box, you'll find a comprehensive mounting hardware kit and an easy-to-follow user manual. This equipment is designed for a straightforward installation process, allowing you to get your TV up and running in no time, even if you aren't a DIY expert. But what really sets the WALI ceiling mount apart is its adjustable design. It features swivel capabilities that let you rotate the TV a full 360 degrees, as well as tilt options ranging from -25 to +3 degrees. This functionality allows you to position your television perfectly, reducing glare and ensuring an optimal viewing angle regardless of where you're seated. Imagine having the ability to enjoy your favorite movies and shows from anywhere in the room. Whether you're hosting a movie night with friends or enjoying a cozy evening in, this mount provides the flexibility you need to create the perfect viewing experience. Safety is also a top priority with this product. The WALI mount is built robustly and made to last. The quality materials mean you can trust that your television is securely mounted and ready for action, with minimal risk of accidents or falls. In conclusion, the WALI TV Ceiling Mount Adjustable Bracket is an excellent investment for anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment setup. With its sturdy design, adjustable features, and easy installation, it's truly one of the best ceiling mounts available today. Thank you for tuning into Product Critique. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more in-depth reviews on the latest tech gadgets and home accessories. If you have any questions or comments about this product, feel free to drop them in the section below. Until next time, elevate your viewing experience.